Good day everyone. Here's our report about TikTok privacy policy.
What is data collected by the company? Here are some examples of data collected by the company. First, usage information. They collect information regarding your use of the platform. Example, how you engage with the platform, including how you interact with the content they show to you, the advertisement you view, videos you watch and problems encountered. Next, inferred information. They also infer your attributes including your interest, gender and age range for the purpose of personalizing content. Next, technical information. They collect certain information about your device you use to access the platform such as IP address, user agent, model of your device, the device system, network type, and etc. Location information. They collect information about your approximate location, including location information based on your SIM card or IP address. With your permission, they may also collect precise location data, such as GPS. Next, image and audio information. They may collect information about the videos, image, and audio that are part of your user content, such as identifying the objects and scenery that appear, the existence and location within an object of face and body features and attributes, the nature of the audio, and the text of the words spoken in your user content. Thank you.
TikTok use our information to improve, support, and administer the platform to allow us use its functionalities and to fulfill and enforce TikTok's terms of service. TikTok may also use our information to, among the other things, personalize content you see on the platform, promote the platform, and customize our ad experience. TikTok generally use the information they collect in the following ways. First, to handle the product and service requests, support internal operation and feedbacks, including troubleshooting and data analysis, testing, research, and surveys. To offer shopping features and manage product purchases and delivers, including sharing your information with merchants, payment processor, and other service providers for the order processing. Third is to personalize the content you see when you use the platform. For example, we may provide you with services based on country settings you have chosen or show you content that is similar to content that you have liked or interacted with. Fourth is to send promotional materials, including by instant messaging or email from us or on behalf of our affiliates and trusted third parties. Fifth is to measure and understand the effectiveness of the advertisements and other content we reserve you to others and to deliver advertising including targeted advertising to you on the platform.
To enable social features on the platform, including connecting with others, sharing your activity, providing messaging services, suggesting accounts, and interacting with user content. To allow you to participate in interactive features of the platform, such as enabling your content to be used in other users' videos. To use user content as part of our advertising and marketing campaigns, to promote the platform, to invite you to participate in an event, and promote for popular topics, hashtags, and campaigns on the platform. To promote the safety, security of the platform, including by scanning, analyzing, and reviewing user content, messages, and associated metadata for violation of our terms of service, community guidelines, or other conditions and policies. To help us detect and combat abuse, harmful activity, fraud, spam, and illegal activity on the platform.
TikTok shares your data with third-party service providers and business parties for tasks like payment processing, customer support, and marketing. Additionally, TikTok may share your data within its corporate group and during significant business transactions such as mergers. The main groups with which TikTok shares data include: first, service providers. TikTok shares data with companies that provide services on its behalf. These services includes data hosting, customer support, and analytics. These third parties help TikTok maintain its infrastructure, offer features, and ensure the platform functions smoothly. Second, business partners. Data may also be shared with business partners to enable specific features or provide joint services. These partners include advertisers and content creators who collaborate with TikTok on marketing initiatives. The data shared often includes user activity and preference to facilitate more targeted advertising.
Number three, affiliates and subsidiaries. TikTok is part of a larger ecosystem of companies under ByteDance, its parent company. Data may be shared across these entities for operational purposes, such as improving services or aligning on legal and compliance matters. Number four, advertisers. TikTok collaborates with third-party advertisers who may receive anonymized or aggregated data to show relevant ads to users. For instance, advertisers might use user activity data, which videos were watched or liked, to tailor their marketing campaigns. Sometimes advertisers provide data, such as part purchases, to TikTok to target users based on their off-platform behavior. Number five, legal authorities. TikTok may be required to share data with government agencies or legal authorities to comply with legal processes, such as court orders, subpoenas, or regulatory requirements.
Here are the third parties of TikTok that can use our data. The first is advertising and marketing. Third-party advertisers and marketing partners can use your data to deliver targeted ads based on your interests, behavior, and demographics. Second, analytics and measurement. TikTok may share data with analytics providers to help understand how users interact with the app, measure app performance, and improve the user experience. Third, content moderation and safety. Data may be shared with partners that help TikTok with content moderation, ensuring the safety of the platform by detecting harmful or inappropriate content. Fourth, payment processing. If you make purchases or transactions within the app, your data may be shared with payment processors to facilitate this transaction securely. Service providers. TikTok may use third-party service providers to perform functions on their behalf, such as hosting services, customer support, or technical infrastructure. Legal and regulatory compliance. TikTok might share data with law enforcement or regulatory bodies to comply with legal obligations, respond to subpoenas, or protect against fraud or illegal activities. Lastly is business transfers. In the event of a merger, acquisition, or sale of asset, TikTok may transfer user data to the new entity as part of the business transition.
Target market. TikTok's target market spans a wide demographic including teenagers and young adults, who may not always be fully aware of data privacy implications. Our suggestion is tailor language for different age groups. Use simpler, age-appropriate language for young audiences while maintaining detailed explanation for adults. Consider incorporating interactive elements like short, engaging videos or infographic that explain privacy terms.
Functions of TikTok. TikTok's privacy policy covers how user data is collected, used, and shared, including data for targeted advertising and content recommendations. Our suggestion is clarify data collection practices. Be more explicit about what types of data are collected, sample, location browsing habits, and why each type is needed. Include clear examples of how this data improves user experience.
Purpose. The purpose of data collection on TikTok includes improving the user experience, personalizing content, and serving ads. Our suggestion is detailed use cases. Break down the specific ways data is used in a transparent manner. For instance, describe how data influences content recommendations and how it might be used for analytics versus advertising.
Unique features. TikTok's unique features, such as video creation tools and social sharing, involve complex data interactions. Our improvement suggestion is explain impact of features. Detail how unique features like video editing or live streaming impact user data. For instance, clarify what data is shared during live streams and how interactions with other users.
How the privacy policy affect the users? The users may not fully grasp the implications of TikTok privacy policy on their personal data and its usage. We suggest user impact summaries. Provide concise summaries of key sessions that directly affect users, such as data sharing practices, third-party access, and how users can exercise their rights. Include a fact sections to address a common concerns. Thank you.
How to use TikTok. TikTok provides a broad overview of how users can create and interact with content but might not sufficiently address privacy implication of these actions. Our improvement suggestion is include privacy tips. Offer practical privacy tips for users such as managing who can view their content, setting privacy preference, and understanding how interaction with other users impact privacy.
That's all for our report. Thank you.